engine running.
Absolute genius.
Get this.
Welcome.
This is the show where we bring you
Science.
What that essentially means is
Discoveries.
Advances.
Questions. Research.
technology. Unbelievable.
Without further ado,
This is The Naked Scientists. Hello, welcome to The Naked Scientists podcast, the programme that brings you the biggest breakthroughs and talks to the major movers and shakers in the worlds of science, technology and medicine. I'm Chris Smith. Coming up, the UK finally kicks off its small modular reactor plan. Also, Iran seeds the skies in a bid to end the worst drought in decades. A moss grows fat on a rolling stone, at least that's what Don McLean told us. But can it survive the harshness of space? An island in North Wales has been chosen as the location for a trailblazing type of nuclear power station. The plant at Wilfer on Anglesey will be home to the UK's first 3 small modular reactors, and it's expected that the engineering giant Rolls-Royce will build them. The UK government says the move will create thousands of jobs and it will bring a welcome boost to the British economy. But the reactors are yet to be built and they're not going to generate any power until 2035. We asked Malcolm Grimston, who's an honorary senior research fellow at Imperial College's Centre for Energy Policy and Technology, to explain what's going on.
The S stands for small. Most of the big nuclear power stations that we've built in the world over recent years have had an output of over 1,000 megawatts. That's the unit that we use for energy. Small reactors are defined as being more in the sort of 200 to 400 megawatt range, perhaps even smaller in some cases. And the M stands for modular. This means instead of it being a big construction project that you in effect redesign every time you do it because of the geography of the place you're putting it, the idea would be that you manufacture these reactors in a factory and then take them out and put them up wherever they're actually going to be used. Now that ought to bring considerable savings because you're standardizing and mass producing the reactors. So that's the principle. We need to show whether it works or not, but that's the basic idea.
And is the science that makes them tick, effectively the engine inside, pretty much the same as I would find in any other nuclear reactor?
All nuclear reactors, like most power stations in the world, work by boiling water, which then comes off at a huge pressure as steam. And that steam is then used to turn very large wheels called turbines, which produce the electricity. But there are also a lot